Hello ladies, so I'm back. I shampooed my hair using the Bobine bar as I showed you before. Um, what else did I do? I did not oil rinse my hair, and the only reason why I didn't, because the Bobine bar is a clarifying bar, and it gets all of the gunk and dirt and whatever out of your hair. But it does not strip the hair, but it also didn't strip out this pre-poo either. So, and it wasn't a bad thing because I didn't have to add any more oil to my hair. The only thing I did do was that I put my oil rinsing mixture on my scalp and just massaged my scalp. I didn't even run it through my hair. I just put it all over my scalp, massaged my scalp, and what did I do after that? Oh, and then let me take this off. It should be a little bit more soaked up by now. Then what I used as my rinse out, I also did a protein treatment with the Curl Junkie Repair Me. It's a reconstructive hair treatment. It says intense hydrating and detangling. It says to massage onto wet hair for at least 5 minutes, comb with a wide tooth comb or fingers, then rinse. Can be used with or without a plastic cap. I did not use a plastic cap because it only said 5 minutes. I was at my sink. It says for all hair types in need of a repairing treatment that aids in preventing hair breakage. The ingredients are water, cetearyl alcohol, B-hydramonium methosulfate, hydrolyzed keratin protein, helenthus, anise, sunflower seed oil, panthenol, keratin amino acids, hydrolyzed yeast, glycerol, stearate, jojoba seed oil, glycol, stearate, apricot kernel oil, C2 alcohol, PEG 100, stearate, tocopherol acetate, citric acid, disodium, EDTA, fragrance / perfume, propylene, glycol, something urea, and benzoate. And there's one other thing before that, but you could go onto their site to see. And I don't know if this is going to come in clear, but this is the ingredients on this. And basically, this is a 12 ounce. If you saw in my Curl Junkie haul video, they was having a 25 or 30% off on Black Friday. So I caught that. The regular price on this, I believe, is $28 for this 12 ounce. You don't need to use a protein treatment every month, I don't think. But it doesn't really have a smell, you know, it just smells like a conditioner. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It is thick. I had got this thing, this is what it was sealed with. And I got it stuck inside the cap, so I had to take the cap off and, you know, to get it out. But as you can see, it is pretty thick, but it is creamy. And I will say you can detangle with this. I was able to detangle with this with ease. My hair, it does not feel stripped, but I do feel a difference in it. It does feel stronger. It is soft, if that makes sense. It is soft. You know, you can see, you know, my curls. So I definitely like this. I would buy it again. I don't know if per se through them, unless they have a sale, if I could get it, you know, through another company. Their customer service for Black Friday was not good at all. To this day, I have not heard from them about, I guess they looked up the tracking themselves and seen that I got it, but I guess they felt like I would have been emailing about 4 or 5 more times had I not got it. As you know, I emailed them twice. I had to email them twice to ask them where my stuff was. I never heard anything back from them. All I know is I was out one day. My daughter called and said 2 packages came. It was through UPS, and one of them was Curl Junkie, and I had no clue that it was even coming. They never sent me a tracking confirmation or anything, so wasn't very happy. This is my first time even using Curl Junkie or ordering through them, and to get that type of response, you know, was just not good, especially when somebody's spending, you know, $80 on 2 products. But overall, you know, I do like it. I do have to add some moisture to my hair. I feel the most moisture where I added my oils at the roots right here. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Curl Rehab. This is how it came. As you can see, I tried to untwist the pump to use the pump. It basically broke, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to take the pump out and basically like pour it out to get the product out. So this coming in the pump was like, for me, a waste of time because the pump doesn't even work anymore. I still have to, you know, take it out. So I will be back in a second. Let me try to get something going on with this hair, and I will show you a section of me putting in the Curl Junkie Rehab. Be right back. So I am back. Okay, so the thing what happened with the pump is it broke off of the piece, and as you can see, this is the rest of the pump coming out. I don't know if it's gonna work. So this is, okay, there it goes, I guess, maybe. I don't know. It came off, it was stuck down in the thing. I think it broke, but basically this is how it looks. I got the strawberry cream, ice cream scent. It smells like strawberry ice cream too. So I don't know if this is going to pump or not. No, it's not going to pump. Actually, it came back off. So we're going to just take this out, and I'm going to just take the stuff off of it. Just pin my hair up and do it in sections. So just work with this section right here. Get the rest of this off of here. I guess this pump thingy would be no good. It's still product left in there. Things that suck is I have to turn this big thing upside down. And I'm heavy-handed, so at the rate I'm going, you know, probably need to slow down, but and it says to leave this on for like 15 minutes. You know, you could put a cap on. I may leave it in for longer than 15 minutes. I'm not sure. Cause I just, I know I'm probably gonna leave it in for longer than 15 minutes because I haven't eaten anything all day today. Well, I had a few crackers, but I'm gonna do this. Sorry. I had a knot in my hair and it is not coming out, so see that? I had to cut that out. So I don't know. We'll see how, you know, I like this. I mean, seems like it's okay. So far, I'm not in love with it. But let's see how this works out. It's not super thick on my hair like the Desert Essence is. But I will come back with the, I'm getting a lot of knots for whatever reason. Because this is not really, I need something thick on my hair. My hair is, on my ends is not in a, I don't know, which I'm not liking. I don't know about this. I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence. But at any rate, whether I like it or not, I'm going to use it. I'm going to mix it with something. It's going to get used for $65. You feel what I'm saying? Let me take a little bit more out. Put it on my ends. This just seems like it's not doing anything. So yes, this is this. Me putting this on. I will come back at a later date or stage once I'm finished. And, you know, I could get the results as of right now. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence of how it's going on. Really don't, it really seems thin to me. I don't know, my hair is just getting a lot of knots for whatever reason. Normally I don't get all these knots and stuff. But I'll come back and let you know how it goes. You know, how it feels after, you know, I rinse it out and it's sat. You know, I'll probably leave this in for maybe an hour or so. I may eat something myself and then start my dinner for my kids and go from there. So I will check back in later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and give me a thumbs up and leave your comments in the box below. Peace.